Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how I cook Lumpiang Togue, air fried version. These are the ingredients I used for my Lumpiang Togue. Garlic and onion, bean sprouts or toge, carrots, tofu or tokwa, ground beef or pork, and of course, lumpia wrapper. These are the complete ingredients. Since we have different ways of cooking this favorite Filipino dish, I'll show you how I do mine. First things first, cut the tofu in small pieces. Chop your onions. Set aside. Peel and mince the garlic. Heat a wok and put 1/4 cup of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add the tofu. Fry the tofu until it's light brown in color, then set aside. This is just optional. If you want your tofu to be crispier, you can double fry your tofu on higher temperature oil for a minute. Once it's golden brown in color, remove the tofu from the wok. You can use the same oil, but only use at least 2 to 3 tablespoons to saute the garlic and onion. Saute the onion and garlic until translucent or fragrant. Now you can add your favorite meat. You can use beef, pork, or chicken. Cook it until it's brown in color. You can now add the carrots. Stir it regularly for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the bean sprouts or toge. Season it with a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Oyster sauce is optional too. You can use soy sauce or fish sauce. Depends on your preference. Mix them all together for about a minute or two. Don't overcook the vegetables since we will still air fry it later. While we're waiting for the vegetable mixture to cool down, start separating the wrappers into individual sheets. Now that the toge has completely cooled, let's add our tofu. Don't forget to remove the excess liquids. In a flat working surface, lay the wrapper diagonally. Scoop about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of vegetable mix in the middle of the wrapper. Fold the opposite edges of the wrapper, then roll until the vegetables are secured. Seal the end by using water, egg, or cornstarch, or any glue of your choice. Easy, right? Repeat the steps with the remaining wrappers. Set the air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Time it for 15 minutes. Coat the air fryer with cooking spray or brush it with oil. Use tongs to transfer the lumpia in the air fryer and place them in a single layer. Voila! Our crispy Lumpiang Togue is ready for taste test.
Yummy.
It's as crunchy and crispy like our mom's deep-fried Lumpiang Togue.